Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use State Farm Home Insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with State Farm Home Insurance, visit the official State Farm website. On the home page, locate the Insurance tab. Click on Home Insurance to learn more about your options. Review the different types of home insurance policies available. Decide which policy suits your needs best. If you have questions, refer to the FAQ section for more information. To obtain a quote, click on the Get a Quote button. Fill out the online form with your personal information and property details. Make sure to provide accurate data to ensure an accurate quote. Include information about your home, such as its age, size, and location. Specify any additional coverage options you may want. Once you submit your information, wait for the quote to be generated. You may receive multiple coverage options with different premium amounts. Review each option carefully to understand the coverage limits and deductibles. If you wish to proceed, you can start the application process online. During the application, be prepared to provide supporting documents if necessary. If you prefer, you can also contact a State Farm agent for personalized assistance. Ask the agent any specific questions regarding your coverage or policy. Once you're satisfied with the information, complete the application. Pay your initial premium to activate your policy. Upon activation, you will receive a policy document via email or mail. Review the policy document thoroughly to confirm it meets your needs. Make sure to keep a copy of your policy for your records. In case of a claim, log into your State Farm account on the website. Follow the steps to submit a claim electronically. Alternatively, you can call the claims department for assistance. Track the status of your claim through your online account. For any changes to your policy, such as updating coverage, contact your agent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.